Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys a few products Born Pretty has sent to us to review for them. I absolutely love these products, so you guys know I love to share these videos with you guys. So pretty much you're just going to see me here unpackaging everything. This specific product here that I have in my hands is a solid nail tips gel. I do want to share that in a separate video with you guys, just letting you guys know right now, because this is a really unique product. It is a tip glue, but it's gel. So we're going to cure this in the lamp to glue on our nails, which is pretty cool. I'll get into that in another video. But yeah, that's pretty much that. They also sent over 2 thermal nail gel colors. And if you guys haven't yet, I uploaded a video of a manicure that I did on myself with one of these. Pretty cool. You guys should go check it out. I'll link it here somewhere. And we also have 2 colors. I'm going to use this to swatch. So let's just get right into it. The first color that we have is the Born Pretty number 84. Absolutely beautiful red, vibrant color. Really nice now for the summer. I thought that was absolutely nice. This green drove me nuts. I love green. But this one is the number 78. I'll link the items down below in the description box for you guys. But I love green. This is one of the thermal colors, and I believe that is the number 1, TN01, which is the thermal nails. And then we have the number 8, which is the one that I applied on my nails this past video. So go ahead and check that out. Super cool. Let's go ahead and check out this solid nail tip gel. As you guys can see, this is like it's gel. It's a solid product, but it is it doesn't set until you put it under the lamp. So I'll share a separate video with you guys about that. So let's just go ahead and swatch these. So I know you guys struggle a lot with application of gel polish because you guys constantly ask me. So I'm just going to go ahead, and while I'm swatching these, I'm also going to take you guys throughout what helps me with my application. So I usually start out in the center, like the apex of the nail. I work my way up to the cuticle area. You want to pull down that gel, go down the side walls, and make sure you're keeping this nice and thin. Notice that you can see the streaks still a little bit. That's just depending on the amount of pressure you're putting on your brush. But just take your time, pull and stretch that gel. Make sure it's nice and thin, and pop this in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the lamp you're using. To be more sure, I usually just go in and cure it for 60 seconds. So because we're using a gel polish, we have a sticky layer. So when you go in with your second coat, look how beautiful that looks. So that's why you want to put the least amount of product on the first layer. Once you have that sticky layer, you'll layer the second coat nice and thin, but it'll give it that extra coverage. And then you'll go ahead and pop it in the lamp, and it'll look perfect each time. So a little trick I'm going to share with you guys as well is, how do you know when you're putting too much? So usually when you're putting too much of your gel polish, you'll notice that it'll lose its shape, like it'll look lumpy. You don't want that. So here with this color, I'm going to go down the center. We're going to do the same technique, work our way down, pull and stretch. Notice that we still have a couple spots, so let's just go back in. We're using the same amount of product we already have on our brush. Notice the glare on the nail. We're going to take this to the lamp, even though we could see through it, like I told you guys. See how even after we set it, it looks darker. That's what you want. Then you're going to go ahead in with your second layer. See how you're getting more pigment onto there. And you see that the glare is going to let you know if it's not lumpy, if it's not like, I would say like that squiggly look line on it. Look how the glare lets you know. So let's let it set. There you go. I'm going to pass another stroke. There you have it. Nice and even. So let's pop that in the lamp, and that's how you can kind of guide yourself. So I always do that when I'm doing nails, especially when I'm doing my top coat, because sometimes we get carried away and it'll lose its form. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that helps you guys. So I'm going to go in with the number 1 of the thermal nail gel. Now this one is one of my favorites. I love purple, if you guys don't know that. I love the color purple. This one goes from purple to pink. Super cute, really nice for now. like the spring, the summer. This is really, really cute. I can't wait to actually try this one on my toes. But yeah, this is what you have. I'm using the same technique. Applying that gel. Pop it in the lamp, and there you have it. Because we put this in the lamp and it is warm in there, that's why it turned pink. In the cold weather or in the cold temperature, you'll see it turn purple. So you guys can kind of see the outer layer of it. It's already turning purple while I'm recording. So pretty cool. Look how the tip of the nail looks. Super cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead in with a second layer. Even though it looks, I feel like it looks good, but I want to go in with a second layer. The consistency of this gel is a little bit more thicker. So just be careful. Sometimes when they're thick, it can be a little bit harder to apply. So you'll see me pick up a lot of it. But I'm actually trying to use more pressure on my hand and just remove as much as I can. See how I went to the bottle and I cleaned out my brush? I didn't pick up more product. I just cleaned out my brush. So give it a few seconds. You'll see it set. Pop it in the lamp, and there you have it. Now for the last color, this was my absolute favorite because it's still cold here where I live at. I still like those brown tones or like darker tones. But soon we'll be ready to switch over to the nice pastels and vibrant colors, right? I can't wait for those. But in the meantime, I went ahead and I did a manicure on my nails, my natural nails, and this was the one that I used. Absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, it's a nice brown. I would say it's more like, it's a neutral to me because it switches to a nice natural brown cream nude. There you have it. So yeah, this was like my absolute favorite out of all. You guys can see, and I just couldn't wait to use this one. I didn't want to wait till the fall. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's pretty much what I do. I just go in and top it off the second time. Just take your time with it, as you guys can see, stretching down that gel. Give it a few seconds, let it set as well. Sometimes the brush, or you can kind of see the streaks on it, so just give it a couple seconds. Because gel does move, it is not set until you put in the lamp, and then there you have it. Super cool, beautiful colors. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, I will leave the products linked down below in the description box so you guys can find them individually. If you guys want to purchase your own or purchase anything from the website, you guys can grab that code that I have down there as well and save 10% off your order. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video just as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe we should do a giveaway. What do you guys think? Should I do a haul and do a giveaway of Born Pretty products? Why don't you guys let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. So I'm just gonna top these off with my favorite top coat, and again, catch you guys in my next video. Bye.